Hey y'all, it's Guodestiny. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. Missed you guys. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be doing a nighttime routine video. So first I'm going to start with my proactive face cleanser. What happened the other time is happening again. I'm going to start my proactive face cleanser. Then go and eat, pray and probably sleep. Watch a movie. I want to watch a movie. Turn you up. Hello. Let me show you something. No. I need to put this in here. So guys, this year I've decided to post my YouTube video maybe like once in 2 days or 3 days, but it will be regularly than last year. It's a new year, 2021. So I want to be more open and post more videos this year. Definitely more videos. So this one's the tip. If you have not watched my previous videos on proactive face cleanser, please go and check it out. For those people that have ache, you have spots on your face, you want to remove them, or like you're not comfortable with your face, you have dark spots, pimple, name it. You use proactive, and the video is on my YouTube channel anyway. You can go and check it out if you need the video. So I'm going to wait for step 2 to dry. Tired. Clean up after your face, after yourself. When you're done, ensure you clean up everything that you use for your face, which is the brush, removable, and the sponge. But, let's wait for it to dry for applying the last but not least, which is step 3. It's dried already. You can see clearly. So I wanted to do a question and answer video about myself. So if you have any questions for me, put that down in the description box below. If you have any questions at all, just put it down there, and I'll answer all the questions in my next video. And some other things I want to tell you about myself, I was to say it, even though they are not in the question section below, the comment section rather. I'll just give you some answers about myself. My name, where I'm from, age, school, everything basically about me. I look beautiful now. Okay, let's arrange. By the way, I have this small like shelf where I put my stuffs, and I also want to rearrange my room. I'll also be doing a video for that one. That's after I'm done with the question and answer video. After the question and answer video, then I'll rearrange my room. The video for that one will be coming soon. Let me show you my shelf. This is it. It has 3 drawers, by the way. These are all the, let's do this. Yeah, I have 8 of these. Different shades of concealer: Cover Girl, Clean Fresh, Skin Milk, Nourishing Foundation. Then this is my Pro Actives Step 3. I have different necklaces. Oh shit. This one is from Fashion Nova. So you can see it's from Fashion Nova. Most of them are from Fashion Nova. This one is Vera by New York. Basically, I already started arranging the room, but I'll rearrange them when I'm doing the arranging video. This is the shoes. So I kept all my shoes for now. Hold on. Okay, let's go. Go. Say hi. That's my grandma. Say hi. 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 What's up? This is the living room, by the way. It's dark. By the time we start watching the movie, let me check the time. That'll be by like 8 o'clock. I will video myself again. The video. This is me. This is a photo though of me and my family. This is my grandma. These are my family. This is me when I was in school. I'm still. Oh my god. I'm not beautiful. Being beautiful, by the way. The space in my phone is blinking like I don't have any storage. So the next place will be me eating because I'm hungry right now. So I'm going to pause the video for now and go get ready to eat. When I'm eating, I'll for sure play the video. Record again. I need to delete some stuff so that I will have storage for more videos, especially the question and answer, and also the arranging of the room. I need a lot of storage for that. Cupboard. It needs clothes here and from Fashion Nova. Almost all the clothes are from Fashion Nova. So we'll be rearranging the cupboard and the entire room. The cupboard is filled with a lot of clothes. You can see. I just jam-packed all the clothes here. Next video will arrange the cupboard. It needs arranged. This one is arranged already. It looks cute. Close down. For tonight it's a lot of mixed food, by the way. So this is bread and peanut butter, rice. I love eating rice. Some pineapple, and we have cornflakes and milk. Then we have our neutral water. We have to hydrate ourselves. So this was for dinner today. This is why I eat. I'm watching a movie called almost Christmas. I guess it came as last year. Oops. Sorry. Let's go upstairs first. Come on. Ma? Hold on. She may have to see that. That one was too good to have to come out.
I'll be back in a minute.
Do you want me to come with you, Daddy?
No.
Yeah, no, I'll come.
No. You two, you connect up. You haven't seen each other. I don't know when. I'll be back, okay? Love you both.
Already added water. Just want to add a little. So this is the pineapple, and this is the last meal for the day before I go to sleep. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you are still here with me, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and if you have not watched my previous video, please go and check it out. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok at guodestiny 6 in TikTok and guodestiny Instagram and Twitter. See you guys in my next video. Bye. Love you, by the way. Now continue with my movie.